After seeing a video on WhatsApp how wheat flour contains plastic, I thought let's demonstrate how it is. Wheat contains two proteins called as glutenin and gliadin. When you treat them with water, a little bit of warm water, like when you used to make dough for things, you get something like this, and then you keep on washing it in water. What happens is the soluble starch and the fiber, they go away, and finally what is left will be a mass of coagulated protein, which is called as glutenin. Gluten. Sorry. So this gluten is elastic, it stretches, so it can be passed off as plastic. Now let's wash this. As I keep washing it, the starch and the other material they go away. So finally remains a mass of protein which stretches like plastic, and somebody can say that it is plastic and then try to scare people saying that plastic is added to wheat flour. Let me keep on washing it. And it forms elastic tissue like thing which people say is plastic. Stop. Now this so-called plastic-like material, which is claimed to be plastic, taken from wheat flour, it's just a mass of coagulated protein called as gluten. Now how do you prove it's a protein? In biochemistry we have got a reaction called as the Biuret reaction. So how do you prove that it's not plastic? It's just protein. Here you have a piece of plastic. You take a few pieces, put them into a test tube, add a bit of water. Here you can see the plastic here. And then this is a bit of alkali, 10% sodium hydroxide. Just add it to see if it dissolves. Then I take another one here, just water, and this is what we call as a control. Add a bit of sodium hydroxide to it and just keep it there, so that here we have these two test tubes, one with plastic and sodium hydroxide, other with water and sodium hydroxide. And the third one, I take the material claimed to be plastic. Just because it's water insoluble, it is claimed to be plastic. So let me put that into this. Add a bit of water. A little bit of sodium hydroxide. So we have the 3 test tubes now. One with water, one with the bit of plastic, and here with what is claimed to be plastic in wheat flour. Just try to dissolve it using a glass rod. Try. And then all the 3 we add alkaline copper. Now let's see the difference. Here we get a violet color, here we get just a blue tinge, and here I think the first 2 are virtually indistinguishable from each other, but the third one, where allegedly the plastic material from wheat flour has been added, you get a violet color. You can see that very clearly. So this shows you that it's not plastic, but it's just protein. Well, what do you make out of this wheat protein? Well, let me show you something. Well, this is one of the famous brands of wheat halwa available in Mangalore, and it is made from the very same protein, gluten. And this, if you open, you will see the same alleged plastic taken from this, cooked, made into a halwa, packed nicely, cut. Now focus on her. एक पीस कर दिया, ऐसे आता ना कर दे. Yes. Focus on her face. खा.
ايوه ما جالك ما سمعك.
खा. Eat it. Eat it. How does it taste? Nice. So this is one more piece you have. Now eat it. Yes. It is halwa, what they call as plastic. The same protein is cooked using ghee and all that, added sugar and made into this halwa. And people have been eating this halwa since years, and I hardly know anybody who has died of plastic poisoning eating this. Maybe cholesterol or maybe heart disease, but not plastic poisoning.